Hello everyone, thank you for purchasing the FreedConn Helmet Bluetooth headset. In this video, I will be showing you how to unbox the FX Plus product, and also I will introduce its buttons and accessories. Let's open the packaging box now. This is the Bluetooth headset unit. This is the user manual. This is the accessories box. This is the Bluetooth power button, which also serves as the intercom button. This is the volume up button, also the next track button for music. This is the volume down button, also the previous track button for music. This is the multi-function button. This is the indicator light, which will stay on constantly when charging. But after the battery is fully charged, this light will turn off. This is the mesh button. This is the headphone jack. This is the Type-C charging port. This is the Bluetooth headset unit. This is the clip-on base. This is the adhesive base. This is the Velcro strap for the headset unit. This is the Velcro strap for the microphone. This is the charging cable. This is the headset unit. This is the flexible tube microphone. This is the rigid tube microphone, and this is the instruction manual. That's it for the FX Plus unboxing video, and an introduction to the headset buttons and accessories. If you have any further questions about the product, please feel free to contact our customer service for inquiries.